Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Hello, good morning, students.
Hi, good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you ready for class?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you have your notebook?
Yes, I brought it.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
What did you learn yesterday?
I learned new words.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can.
Is the lesson interesting?
Yes, it is interesting.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Are you feeling tired?
A little bit.
Who is absent today?
John is absent.
Can you sit properly?
Yes, teacher.
Are you paying attention?
Yes, I am.
Do you have any questions?
Not right now.
What day is it today?
It is Monday.
What is the date today?
It is the 24th.
Do you understand the lesson?
Yes, I understand.
Can you close the door?
Yes, I can.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Can you read this sentence?
Yes, I can read it.
What does this word mean?
It means happy.
Can you spell your name?
Yes, Alex.
Can you write this on the board?
Yes, teacher.
What is the answer to question 5?
The answer is B.
Are you practicing daily?
Yes, I practice every day.
What book are you reading?
I'm reading my English book.
Can you count to 10?
Yes, I can.
What is the plural of child?
The plural is children.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like it.
Can you solve this problem?
I will try.
How do you say this in English?
You say thank you.
Can you translate this sentence?
Yes, I can translate it.
What is the opposite of big?
The opposite is small.
Do you want extra practice?
Yes, I do.
Who will answer next?
I will.
Are you enjoying the activity?
Yes, I am.
What did you understand from the lesson?
I understood the main idea.
Are you working in groups?
Yes, we are.
Can you explain your answer?
Yes, here it is.
Why are you late?
Sorry, I missed the bus.
Can you speak softly?
teacher.
Why are you talking in class?
Sorry, it won't happen again.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, I am listening.
Can you focus on your work?
Yes, I will.
Why didn't you bring your book?
I forgot it at home.
Can you sit quietly?
Yes, I can.
Do you know the class rules?
Yes, I know them.
Did you copy this work?
No, I didn't.
Can you behave properly?
Yes, teacher.
Why didn't you do your homework?
I was sick.
Do you have any excuse?
No, I don't.
Can you wait for your turn?
Yes, I can.
Why are you not writing?
I don't have a pencil.
Can you bring your notebook tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Do you want a warning?
No, teacher.
Are you teasing your classmate?
No, I'm not.
Can you stop laughing?
Yes, I can stop.
Are you done with your task?
Almost done.
Can you follow the instructions?
Yes, I can.
What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 5.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Liam.
What time does school start?
It starts at a.m.
What time does school finish?
It finishes at 2 p.m.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat at lunch?
I eat a sandwich.
How do you come to school?
I come by bus.
Do you participate in games?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite game?
Cricket.
Do you enjoy group activities?
Yes, they are fun.
Are you in any clubs?
Yes, in the reading club.
What is the school rule you like most?
Be kind to others.
Do you help your classmates?
Yes, I do.
What did you do in break time?
I played with friends.
Do you like school trips?
Yes, very much.
What subject is difficult for you?
Math is a little difficult.
Which teacher do you like the most?
I like my English teacher.
Are you making progress?
Yes, I am improving.
What's your goal this year?
To get good grades.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
Are you nervous about the test?
A little, yes.
What makes you happy?
Playing with friends.
What makes you sad?
When I lose something.
What are you proud of?
My hard work.
Are you confident?
Yes,
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes, yes.
What do you like about yourself?
I am helpful.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I am.
What do you do when you are angry?
I try to calm down.
Do you like teamwork?
Yes, I do.
Are you shy?
Sometimes.
What scares you?
Loud noises.
What excites you?
Learning new things.
Do you get bored easily?
Not really.
What helps you study better?
A quiet place.
Are you patient?
I try to be.
What do you like to do after school?
I like to play.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream for the future?
I want to be a doctor.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs.
Where do you live?
I live in the city.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have two.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I love cartoons.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Can you sing?
A little.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza.
What do you do on weekends?
I play and rest.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, sometimes.
What is your favorite season?
Winter.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love rain.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
What is something new you want to learn?
I want to learn drawing.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, I do.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.